Hello friends, welcome to MasterCAM training session. In this lecture, we will discuss about blend milling operation, cutting method, and our topics are zigzag, one way, spiral, from center and to center. So friends, here click on parameter, cut parameter. You will see here cutting method. Our first method is zigzag, OK, and regenerate. I will click on top view. You will see here this is our cutting method zigzag, and isometric. We will check in verify selected operation. I will hide axis and wireframe view and just play. You will see this is our zigzag method. Now I will close it. Again parameter and one way method. OK. Regenerate and check in top view, wireframe. You will see this is one way method. So I will check in verify selected operation, change the view in isometric and play this operation. You will see this is in one way. I will cancel it. Again here next is spiral cut. OK, and regenerate top view. So this is spiral cut. Now isometric and verify selected operation and play this operation. You will see this is spiral method. So I will close it. In parameter, and the next is from center. OK, and regenerate and top view. You will see here I will change in isometric, verify selected, change the speed and play. So you will see here the cutting portion is start with center. So this is from center toolpath. Now close. Again in parameter, and our last cutting method is to center. OK, and regenerate. Now in verify, change the speed and play. So you will see to center means outward to inward cutting. You will see. So this is to center cutting method. So I will close, change the view in shaded and click on parameter. You will see in cut parameter cutting method. So this is our different cutting method: zigzag, one way, spiral, from center and to center. Now again I will click zigzag, OK, and regenerate. OK friends. So in next lecture we will discuss about blend milling operation, different type. Thank you friends.